Why sync tasks with Google Calendar?
Syncing your tasks with Google Calendar lets you see appointments and to-dos in one place. This unified view makes it easier to prioritize, avoid double booking, and allocate your time efficiently. By having everything together, you improve your ability to stay organized and on track with both personal and professional commitments.
Using Google Tasks within Google Calendar.
You can access Google Tasks directly inside Google Calendar on desktop or mobile. Look for the side panel or the tasks icon. Add a task by clicking the plus button and assign a date or even a time. These tasks will automatically appear on your calendar, keeping your to-dos and events side by side.
Syncing other task apps with Google Calendar.
If you use apps like Todoist, Microsoft To Do, or Trello, many offer built-in calendar sync features. Usually, you can find a Google Calendar integration in the app's settings. Follow their instructions to connect accounts. Tasks with dates will then appear automatically as calendar entries, keeping everything up to date.
Customizing how tasks display on your calendar.
You can choose how tasks show up on your Google Calendar. Tasks with set times appear alongside events in your daily or weekly view. All-day tasks appear at the top of your calendar. You can switch task calendars on or off, or color code them separately for clarity and less clutter.
Tips for effective task and calendar syncing.
For best results, assign clear due dates every day. Assign clear due dates and times when adding tasks, and use reminders where possible. Take advantage of recurring tasks for regular responsibilities. Regularly check both your calendar and task app for updates, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks.